The way I'm feeling down, the way I'm feeling, I feel like I need to be right. I'm really serious, like real serious to your heart. I'm really serious to your love, to your life. Why you make me feel like this? Why? Why you make me feel like this? It's just why. Why you made me feel like this? Why you made me feel like this? Why I feel like this? I need your love. Intersection. I need your love. I need your love. I need your love. You know I'll be real to your love. I'm feeling like I never grind. Yeah, I just be saying though. Just look at a nigga though. Feel on a nigga though. Feel with that real love. Feel little respectful. It's the real reasons to real love. You never feel like this. I never feel like that. This love word that means something so much to love. I show much love to you. I show how I be. Keep it real with my day one, my real one. My heart feeling real one. For you, you do not understand how I'm feeling. How much I feel for you. I'm feeling so right with the good times. I'm feeling right sometimes, but I don't need you to realize me. Why you made me feel like this? How you made me feel like this? I ain't it. Why you made me feel like this? But I'm feeling like this. I just need your love. Intersection. I need your love. I really need you, baby. I really need you in my life. I can't look at you. I'm feeling you all night. I'm telling you I love you with all my heart. Real love. You know how I'm feeling. I know I need real love. That's the way I'm feeling.